baseman Tommy Corbin after a 8-4 win over Wofford to sweep the series. Tommy, you came through with a big 2-run hit in the 4th inning to put us ahead for good. Just kind of take us through that at bat.
Yeah, I went up there when there was a man on 2nd and 3rd, just trying to get my pitch, and fouled a couple pitches off, and just trying to battle with 2 strikes, and I got a pitch, and I slapped it up the middle for a big knock. So.
And we get the sweep of Wofford, sweep of SoCon series. Talk about how big that is to kind of get some momentum going.
Yeah, it's really big, you know, coming in a team that's basically even with us in the standings in the SoCon, to be able to take 3 games and kind of put them behind us and start to move on up the charts and hopefully keep on improving throughout the season, keep getting big wins.
And you got 2 midweek games this week, UAB on Tuesday, Troy on Wednesday, and then go back on the road for Western Carolina over the weekend. Just talk about the week ahead there.
Yeah, we got a bunch of games coming up, you know, a couple against in-state rivals. Always good to get to play them, get them at home, hopefully get a couple big wins and go back on the road for a team that's supposed to be at top of the conference. So hopefully we'll keep this streak going and have another good week.